In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Wise card. Before you get started on this exciting journey, you'll need to have a Wise account set up. If you haven't created an account yet, please do so, as it's an essential step before you can enjoy the benefits of a Wise card. Once you have your account ready, you're going to want to log in to ensure you have access to all the features and options available to you. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your account. This will be your central hub for managing your Wise account, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On this page, keep an eye out for the section titled Cards. It's usually easily identifiable. Give that section a click and it will take you to the next step in acquiring your new Wise card. Now that you're in the Cards section, you'll see the option to order a new card. This is where the fun begins because you have a choice to make. Wise offers two types of cards, a digital card and a physical card. Let's talk about the digital card first. The digital card is completely free, and the best part, you can have it instantly. It's a fantastic option if you're looking for speed and convenience. With a digital card, you'll be able to start making transactions almost immediately after the setup process, making it a perfect choice for those who prefer an on-the-go, paperless option. On the other hand, if you prefer having a physical card in hand, you can choose that option instead. However, do note that there is a small fee involved when you opt for a physical card, and you will need a bit more patience as it typically arrives within 7 days. It's an excellent choice for more traditional financial transactions, travel, or if you just like having a tangible card to swipe. Whichever option suits your preferences and needs, the process from here on out is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the steps specific to the card type you've chosen, ensuring clarity and ease as you navigate through any additional information needed to complete your application. In choosing your preferred card and following these simple steps, you're on your way to enjoying the flexibility and utility of a Wise card. Whether you're managing finances digitally or still enjoy the feel of a plastic card, Wise has made it simple to access the tools you need for financial management. Happy banking with your new Wise card.